This is a toy. It's actually for a baby, which is great because if you go to garage sales, babies who use toys like this are usually pretty gentle on them, and they don't usually just need anything but a little cleaning and some batteries. This one here is really great because it has some swinging things, and this thing moves and it makes a noise. I'll have to turn it on. And when you first put the ferrets out, they get all excited and they can reach this and they love it, and they pull them and they yank them off and they run away with them, and that's just a whole bunch of fun. So you could probably pick up something like this at a garage sale for, you know, maybe $2 or $3 because they're usually not working and the babies have outgrown them. So that's one great toy. This is a really kind of silly thing, but you'd be surprised. This was bought at a garage sale for a dime, and it's a little parcel puppy something, and I have ferrets that you can see they've kind of scratched in there. They go in there and they go to sleep. When they're playing, they get a little tired. Sometimes they'll go in something like this. They just feel so comfortable, especially the smaller ferrets, that I find them sleeping in that, and you just pick up the purse and you put it in the cage, and they can continue sleeping. So toys for ferrets don't have to be expensive. You can pick them up at garage sales that are relatively inexpensive, usually used by children that grow out of them quickly, so the wear is very gentle.